Welcome to the Banyan. The Banyan is one of India's largest preschool corporate daycare chains. I'm going to be talking to you about three important things: the Banyan Online Blended Series, the Banyan Parenting Seminars, and the Banyan ECE, that is the Early Childcare Education Teacher Training course. We all understand that digital is the way of the future, and that's how even for the young kids, even if physical classes are available, one very strong medium to supplement their learning is through the online classes. The Banyan Blended series runs as short capsules. Our curriculum is completely thematic. It is aligned to the age appropriate developmental milestones of the children. The teachers are all well trained in early years framework. They understand that young children learn through play. It's the experiences which lay the foundation to early literacy, early numeracy, socio-emotional development, cognitive development. And the one unique differentiating feature we have is we have completely included technology, in the sense that exponential technologies is the way of the future, and it's very important for children, apart from numeracy and literacy, to understand that how are they going to be using technology and technological skills in order to be future ready. Our sessions run in, like I said, in a format where there is parent partnership. The parent has to be involved in terms of do-it-yourself resources, in terms of educating through expert sessions where people from different backgrounds in parenting, it could be a nutritionist, it could be a psychologist, it could be someone who is a speech and learning therapist, coming in to educate the parents on how their children are learning and growing as they are moving from different age groups. So how does an infant learn? What kind of experiences can you create for a toddler? How does an older toddler and a school readiness come in say a 5 or 6 year old? Please do visit our website, join in and understand how do we assess children, what kind of curriculum we follow, what do our classes look like and feel like. We have regular demo sessions and classes going on where parents can join in for doubt clearing and other things. Very briefly, I would like to talk about the parenting concept as well. You know, all of us become parents, but unfortunately none of us are trained to be parents, and we learn on the go. The advantage is that Banyan has 20 years of experience in early childcare education. We have a huge database of parents who have gone through different kind of teething troubles, and we've just put together their experiences as best practices on what your child should be eating, how are they learning, how is their self-esteem, what is it that you can do to create a happy, joyful kind of a foundation for your child, which will lead the way to success in school, success in life, and success thereafter. Very quickly about the Early Childcare Education Teacher Training course. It's a 6-month course, and you do understand that teaching is something which comes naturally to a lot of us. But apart from the teaching pedagogy and apart from the teaching skills which are required to transact knowledge, what is very critical is domain-specific knowledge. The Banyan kind of prides itself on developing content which is very scientifically researched. We have benchmarked against the best early years frameworks across the globe. There are some very differentiating features to our Early Childcare Education Teacher Training program. It's short-term, it's well accredited, it comes at a very, very viable kind of a fee structure, and it promises immediate kind of employment opportunity for a lot of young people who love to work with children. And what is very important is to understand that we are very closely aligned to the new education policy, which emphasizes totally on revamping the structure of 3 to 8-year-old early years framework. Our teachers would get trained on that through experienced people and be ready to pick up jobs immediately with the Banyan or even outside in the early years school framework. Thank you.